When a new vehicle is about to drop, the factory floor is often the first place to spill the secrets. And right now, the Giga Texas facility is giving us a clear signal that a new version of the Model Y is on the way. The latest sightings involve several Model Y units rolling off the line with some unusual camouflage, sparking fresh speculation about what Tesla is cooking up next. The visual evidence is pretty compelling. Observers at Giga Texas have spotted Model Y vehicles with two key features that scream internal testing. First, the wheels were covered, suggesting a new wheel design or a new aerodynamic package that Tesla is trying to keep under wraps. Second, and perhaps more telling, a large geometric sticker was placed over the rear badge. This kind of camouflage is typically used to hide the specific badging that identifies the vehicle's trim level. Think long range, performance, or even a new designation entirely. This combination of covered wheels in a camouflaged badge is a strong indicator that Tesla is preparing to launch a new configuration for the Model Y. The big question is, what exactly is it? Two main possibilities are currently circulating among analysts and the community. The first is a premium rear-wheel drive long-range variant. This configuration would combine the high efficiency of a single-motor rear-wheel drive setup with a larger battery pack, offering maximum range at a potentially lower price point than the dual-motor all-wheel drive long-range model. This would be a strategic move, allowing Tesla to offer a highly competitive, long-range option that appeals to efficiency-focused buyers. The second, and perhaps more intriguing possibility, is the Model Y L. This designation refers to a long-wheelbase version of the Model Y, which has already been seen in other markets, often featuring a 6-seat layout with captain's chairs. The Model Y L is designed to offer more passenger comfort and cargo space, directly addressing the needs of families looking for a more spacious electric SUV. If these camouflaged units at Giga Texas are indeed the Model Y L, it would signal an imminent launch of this extended version in the North American market. The timing of these sightings is also significant. Tesla has a history of introducing minor updates and new configurations quietly, often without a major press event. These visual cues from the factory floor suggest that whatever this new variant is, it's past the early prototype stage and is now in the final validation phase before mass production. This development is part of Tesla's continuous effort to refine and expand its most popular vehicle line. By introducing new configurations, the company can better target specific segments of the electric SUV market, whether it's the efficiency-focused driver with a potential rear-wheel drive long range, or the family looking for maximum space with the Model Y L. Ultimately, the covered wheels and camouflaged badge are Tesla's way of saying something new is coming. While the company hasn't made an official announcement, the evidence from Giga Texas is clear. The Model Y lineup is about to get a fresh edition, and it's likely designed to capture a new segment of the market. For more factual analysis on the latest in automotive technology, make sure to subscribe to this channel and stay informed. We'll keep a close eye on Giga Texas for the official reveal of this new Model Y variant.